Kingston, Jamaica. A new chapter is unfolding in Jamaica's political landscape. Opposition leader and PNP President Mark J. Golding has announced the names of 8 senators who will officially take their seats in the upper house on Thursday, September 18, 2025. This carefully chosen team reflects Golding's strategy to strengthen the opposition's voice in Parliament, combining experienced lawmakers, respected academics, and new energy from rising voices in the party. The list includes Mrs. Donna Marie Scott Motley, a veteran legislator known for her fearless advocacy on justice reform, Professor Floyd Morris, the first blind president of the Senate and a strong voice on disability rights, and Mr. Lambert Brown, CD, a long-standing champion for workers and labor rights. They are joined by Mrs. Keisha Gay Anderson, Mr. Alan Rutherford Bernard, and Dr. Mazaki Tim, each bringing fresh expertise and perspectives. Rounding out the appointments are Mr. Ramon Small Ferguson and Mr. Cleveland Tomlinson, representing the younger, vibrant wing of the People's National Party. Golding's announcement signals his intention to present a robust and unified opposition ready to challenge government policies and advocate for transparency, equity, and progress. All eyes will now be on the Senate this Thursday as these 8 figures take the oath and prepare to play their part in shaping Jamaica's political future. Join me on Thursday for more update